everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well today. In today's video, I'm going to prep the house for a new season. It is coming into my favorite season ever, which is autumn, and there's a few things I want to do in the house just to get it all ready and fresh before I decorate for the best time of the year. The first thing that I'm going to do is I want to wash our duvets. So this is a giant feather king size duvet and it is going to go in my washing machine. Believe it or not, you can do this. I got this tip from Laura Cleanerholic when I saw her do it with her duvet, and I'm going to do the same. Before I can wash it, there is still some washing on the line from yesterday, so the first thing I need to do is clear all of this out of the way, and then I'm going to wash the duvet. I can't believe how easily our king size feather duvet fit in our washing machine. It was such a pleasant surprise. So this is such a treat for the start of a new season to have a freshly cleaned duvet. I'm just going to also clean this dispenser that I put our fabric softener into. It's looking a bit grimy, and I'm just going to take 2 seconds to clean it up before I top it up with some fabric softener, put the fabric softener in the washing machine and turn it on. So the washing machine is purring away. I'm also going to light a little candle in here to make it nice and cozy and move on to the next job. I'm going to strip all of the sofa cushions of the cushion covers. That way they can all have a good wash and they will be smelling super fresh. Obviously I can't put them in the washing machine just yet, as I just put our duvet in there, but I'm going to put them next to the washing machine ready to go as soon as I can later on today. While the sofa is bare, I'm just going to give it a little bit of a hoover with my favourite new vacuum cleaner. This is the Bosch Unlimited 7, and it's honestly the best vacuum cleaner I've ever used in my life. And I'm just going to use it to go over all of the sofa cushions and give them a good clean. I'm also just going to spot clean them wherever I see those little spots. These are the Clever Velvet sofas from Loaf. Their Clever Velvet fabric is just incredible, and you can clean anything off them just with a little rub down with some cleaning spray and a cloth like this. So I'm just going to go over and spot clean wherever I need to. Next thing I want to do today is some high dusting. So I've got a flash duster here, but it is the extendable one, which I'm very excited to try out. And I'm going to reach up as high as I can into those places that I don't normally get to. I mean, I do these shelves actually quite often, so ignore these. But I'm also going to do up in the corners of all of the rooms. I'm going to do all of the light fittings, the top of picture frames, those places where cobwebs love to build up. I don't know about you, but we have got so many cobwebs in our house from the summer. It has been crazy spider season and they seem to be everywhere, so I can't wait to get rid of every cobweb in the house. And as you can see here, I managed to get a lot of dust and cobwebs, so really happy with that. So I'm going to take this off and replace it with a fresh one for next time. Next thing I'm going to do today is give the toilets a good clean. I'm going to do the downstairs toilet first, and then I will go upstairs and do the toilet in the family bathroom as well. I'm not going to worry about the ensuite or the guest bathroom today. I'm just going to focus on the two bathrooms which are used most often. So I'm just using a Zaflora bathroom spray, and I'm going to put some toilet gel in the bowl as well and give that a scrub. And I'll finish by spraying it down with some disinfectant to get rid of any nasty germs that might be sitting on there. I'm also just going to go over the downstairs sink as well. The same Zaflora bathroom spray, but a nice clean cloth. Like I said, I'm literally going to repeat the process that you just saw me do, but this time I am in the upstairs family bathroom, so just focusing on the two toilets that get the most traffic.
Are turning brown.
So the cycle has finished for my duvet wash, so I'm going to take it outside. It's a nice really warm day today, unseasonably warm. We're just at the end of a strange September heat wave, so I'm just going to hang it up outside and it should be dry in just a few hours. And the next thing I want to do is have a bit of a declutter and a clean in our pantry area. So I'm just going to clear the surfaces one by one, spray them down and give them a good wipe. They tend to build up here with just dust or bits of food, whatever it might be, but I love to give the shelves a wipe when I have time. There's also food in here that needs to go, things that have just sort of built up and that I know that we're not going to use, or things that might be out of date. So I'm just going to declutter as I go along the shelves as well.
All that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet, I'm not ready.
While I've got the cloth and the spray in my hand, I'm just going to go over the kitchen cupboards as well. I noticed some marks on these this morning. These are actually originally light grey, and we painted our kitchen black ourselves. It is not perfect, it's far from it, but it's hopefully going to last us a few more years until we have enough money to get a brand new kitchen, and it has worked really well so far. I do have to touch up the paint every now and then, but honestly, we really love it. It does mark quite easily because it's a matte paint, however, so I'm just going to use my cloth and my spray to go over all of the cupboards and get rid of any watermarks.
Let's get new bottles in here.
guys, I just couldn't help myself. I had to get the first cheeky pumpkin out. I know it's really early, but I just thought I'll get one and maybe Clint won't notice. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.